Okay, this is for my DJs. This is to help you have a better understanding of Instagram, and I've come up with these 5 things that I want you guys to do that is going to really help you start to grow your page. Okay, day 4. This is about cleaning up your Instagram page. I keep repeating myself because this bit is really important. You have to keep remembering that new people are coming to your page all the time and they don't know anything about you. So you need to make sure that the first 9 pictures that people see on your page when you go there are the best quality, and tell people exactly what it is that you do. So if you're a DJ, there should be pictures of you DJing in there, not just a picture of what you have for dinner or a picture of your dog, things like that. Make it relevant and make sure that those 9 pictures are top quality, and there's videos in there as well, so reels, you know. So what I recommend you do is to go through your feed now and not delete, archive any of your old pictures that aren't relevant. And to do that, you just click on the image, then you click in the top right hand corner and you'll see the 3 dots and a drop down menu will come. Just click on archive and that'll just send that photo to your archive. You can always go back and get it at any time, but it won't show up on your feed. And this makes sure that anything that's on your page is relevant and of high quality. So take a look now. I guarantee you're going to have some rubbish on your page that isn't relevant, or whether it be an old flyer or something like that about an old gig. You could always put them in a highlight if you wanted, say in previous gigs, so people can see all the places that you've played. But it's not relevant on your page because it's a gig that's gone, so people can't come and see you there because you've already played. So there you go, that's day 4. I want you to clean up your Instagram bio and make sure it is only high quality content and applicable to what's happening now, all right? Again, super quick, 30 minutes, that'll be done. Good luck, see you for day 5. I also want to say to you, if you like this video, click that button down below that says like, the little thumbs up. It really does help me as a creator to reach more people. The more likes, the better, the more people will get to see it. And please leave a comment below with your thoughts on it as well. I'd love to know. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel to make sure you don't miss out on any future videos, because I'm going to be posting a lot more content on YouTube from now on to help DJs grow using all types of social media and other DJ tips as well. So thanks for watching this. Have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next video.